Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today, I've got my '04 Ford Ranger, and I'm going to be replacing the headlamp bulb on it. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, we're going to be working on the right-hand side, and the left-hand side is similar. And I just want to bring your attention to these little tangs right here. All right, we're going to go ahead and lift up on these tangs here, and this releases the headlamp assembly from the truck. It can be a little hard, so pull out like this. Now we're going to release this locking tang right here. You probably want to do yours without breaking it. But anyway, you just lift up on this kind of gently and pull it right over that little lip right there. Then remove your locking ring. Pull your headlamp out. Okay, here's our new headlamp bulb. It's a 9007, and when we open this up, we're going to be very careful. We don't want to touch the glass. Okay, if you touch the glass, that could lead to premature failure of the headlamp bulb. So, if at all possible, don't touch the glass. Okay, pull the paper away. There we go. Pulling that out. Being very careful not to touch the glass, okay? And we're going to put it back in the same position that the old one came out. Let's go ahead and insert that in there like this. We need to put our lock ring back in. Turn it clockwise and it'll click into place there. And reconnect your connector. Okay, let's go ahead and put it into place. Okay, we'll get that pushed down and locked into place. And we're also going to push this one down and lock it into place also. Alright, now we're going to give the headlamp assembly a little tug. And it's not moving, so we're good. Alright, looks like we're back up and running, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Also, please read the entire description of this video before you attempt this. There's more very important information down there that you need to know before you attempt this or apply any of this knowledge. If you're watching this video on a platform other than YouTube.com, you may have to go to YouTube.com/Barber's Auto Help and find this video there in order to gain access to the description. Please read that, guys. Very important information. As always, like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.